So this is connected to the battery negative through this wire. This is some picture hanging wire attached to a normal drywall screw and a board. This wire is connected back to the positive terminal on the battery. I recommend fusing this. Then I just have a platform that I built. So you line up your wire right on your line. Then you just take your positive wire and you tap it to it. And then you keep it tight with a little bit of pressure. Is it cutting at all?
No.
Can you wiggle your wire?
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes. Yeah, there it goes.
Just light pressure on the handle and we'll cut all the way through. Then disconnect your positive. And you got a nice cut.
Let's see. That's a pretty nice cut.